Hi, hello. What is today? Today is birthday. My dearest Mishka's birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Mishka. Hi. Do you like to listen stories? Oh, yes. Do you? So, today I am going to tell you a story of brave boy. Do you want to listen? Oh, yes, I will tell you. On a fine day, on a Sunday, very shining and beautiful Sunday, a little boy wanted to buy some toys. So, he went to the very big mall with his father and mother. He wanted to buy a big car and some balls for playing with his little brother. Mall was so big. The little boy was very happy and very excited to buy toys. He went to the mall with his father and mother. So he was searching for the good car and some balls to play with his little baby boy brother. He directly went to the toys section. After some time, he could not recognize his father and mother because the mall was so big and he was in the last corner of the toys section. His father and mother were in the another corner. After some time, he was playing in the toys section and forgot how much time he has spent. The little boy was just 5 years old like you. After some time, when he could not locate his father and mother, he was afraid and feeling alone in that section, toys section. That time he cannot speak English. He can speak only Marathi and very few words in English. The mall was in Indonesia. So, in Indonesia, Indonesian people speak another language. They cannot speak Marathi as well as English also. So, the little boy tried to search his father and mother, but he could not. He thought, what to do? How can I call my mummy? How can I call my father? He went to the cashier and took a mic from cashier and started talking in Marathi. He called, आई तू कुठे आहेस? मी इथे उभा आहे. इथे लिहिले आहे CASHIER number 2. Means, do you understand what he spoke? Once again I repeat for you. CASHIER. Number 2. The mall was very big. It has very big section of toys. He was in the last corner of that floor. His mother and father listened his voice, and his father ran to the cash counter and collect the brave boy. Do you know who was that brave boy? He was your father. He was Daddy Shubham. And the little boy was your Uncle Samruddha. Now you are also 5 years old and a brave girl like your Daddy Shubham. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to little brave little princess Mishka. Happy birthday to you. Tomorrow your daddy's birthday. Yes, so I am also wishing a very bright future to you and your daddy Shubham. Be a brave girl like your daddy. I am your daddy's mummy. You can call me Aji or Dadima. Hi Mishka. Love you Mishka. Bye. See you. Bye.